Hi, I'm Ilya from Bitskout, and in this video I wanted to show you how to create a model to analyze invoices. So first thing that you need to do is go to EI models and then press add. Let's call it an invoice Acme Corp template. Alright, so here in type of the models you need to select data extraction. We are extracting data from a document. As there is only one option to do that today, and there will be more in the future, we're going to select this option. Now it's very important that we load the correct template here. So we need to choose a template that we will use to select fields that we need. So let's assume that we want to select a date, and it's here, and it's called invoice date. Okay. Then we want an invoice number. That's a number. Then we also want to know to whom it is billed. And then we probably want, for sake of simplicity, just to know the amount. Alright. So this means that once the invoice in that format will be loaded into your system with Asana Monday, we're going to extract these fields. You can exclude words. For example, if you want to select the whole field and there will be some words that you want to exclude, you can put it here. But in this example, we won't exclude anything. And this way, we now have created a model. The next step to do is to create an output for that model. The outputs are attached to a certain model. So let's create an output. Output means that whatever fields we grab from the document, we need to put them into fields in Monday. And that's what we're going to do. Invoice Acme Corp output. Same thing here. What happens is we want to select the model. Yes, that one. And that automatically tells us what fields we have. Okay, let's select invoice ID, amount, and the date. And then the next step would be to select a project where you have fields where you want to put this. So I have a special project where I used to test the data extraction, and then I just need to select columns in this project. It is on Monday, and then that's it. So once it happens, now we have a model tied to an output, and now we need to create a workflow. A workflow connects all these things together. Invoice Acme Corp. Okay, so we're analyzing a document. In this case, we only have several models. In this case, we have a model Acme Corp, and then we add a custom output. And that's about it. And it means so now once we load, once we detect a file, we will trigger using in recipe, we will trigger the workflow called invoice Acme Corp, and the data will be extracted in monday.com fields. So this is how you can create an AI model to analyze invoices.